I think it's time to take off the plow. It's like 10 degrees outside. And last year I took off the plow about the same day as today. But taking off the plow with this cheap one is a bit of work. It's not done in 5 minutes. It's more like 20 minutes. And soon I'm gonna change to summer tires on my car also. But first, off with the plow. I hate taking it off, but I hate it more to put it on. The first thing I need to do is take out these ones. It's one on each side. Just pull it out, and it's out. And what I did there was just pulling this out. And now it's free. And the hardest part is in the front. I have been playing in the snow, so it's over the snow here. First thing I need to do is take the pin out here and drag it out, but it's got bend, so you can see if I can just turn it around and drag it out. I have no doubt. I can always just buy a new pin every year. Actually never thought about that one. I should have more hands. It will make it so much easier. I think it's easier to just pull it up. This kind of pin. I just bend it back. Now I only have to take off the winch. Set the winch in free, drag out, and it's off. So the winch is free. I'm just going to let it stay here. So when the snow is gone, I'm going to put it behind the shed. Just drag it there. I didn't mean to hit it, but yeah. It felt so light to drive it now. It's a lot of weight using the plow, and taking it off is a completely new machine.